Hey, welcome to another video by the QG Lifestyle. I'm whispering because I heard something out there. Hopefully it's not a bear. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to share some useful tips that could help you for your next camping or cottage trip. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more creative videos on living a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle. Follow me on social media at the QG Lifestyle. And now let's get lost into the wilderness. If you are an outdoor person, then you probably already know how fun and adventurous a camping trip or a weekend at a cottage can be. But sometimes the little things that we forget or neglect can ruin the whole experience, especially if it's your very first time. So here are some camping and cottage tips and reminders. Plan before everyone else. If you live in a populated province such as Ontario and you want to book a cottage or reserve a campsite for next weekend, chances are you will have a hard time finding anything decent available. So you need to plan way ahead and make your reservations before you run out of options. In Ontario, some of these places get booked even a few months in advance. But let's just say you have made your reservations already. Days before your trip, make a list and write down what you need: food supplies, tools, equipment, and any other essentials. Go over your list a few times, and chances are you will add something new that you had forgotten the first time. A few notes to remember before you pack for your trip. Check the forecast. Is there any chance of rain? Will it be hot and humid, or will it be windy and cold? Plan what games you want to play, what activities you want to do. How much food, drinks, snacks do you need? How many people are going? Who's bringing what? Communicate, pack smart, be organized, label things if it helps. And if it's hot, bring lots of ice packs, freeze certain food ahead of time. And do not forget things like bug spray, afterbite, sunscreen, first aid kit, spare charger, lighter, flashlights, firewood. It's so easy to forget little things like garbage bags, utensils, paper towel, toilet paper, or sometimes people just don't pack enough. Bring extra blankets, cushions, sleeping bag, and more warm layers because you just might need it. And make sure you fill up your gas tank before you hit the road. Leave early, arrive early when it's still daylight, and you can see and find everything without any troubles. If you are going camping, it's much easier to set up a tent during the day than it is when it's pitch black. And when you arrive, the tent is the first thing that you want to set up. Avoid the lowest point on the ground in case it rains. A tarp under your tent would protect your tent from holes and tears and also prevent moisture from earth soaking in. Waterproof your tent, even if there's no rain in the forecast. As you already know, the weather in Canada is known to be very unsettled. Set up everything you need inside your tent as well. Try to keep the tent closed at all times to prevent any mosquitoes going in. Locate the bathrooms, water station, beach, etc. Know your way around before it gets dark. Use your car and the trunk of the car as a storage. Have everything set and ready for your campfire. At night, use a floodlight, solar lights, lanterns, candles to help you see better. Prepare your meals ahead of time. Have some games ready to play. Use mosquito repellent if you need to. Wear long sleeves and pants to reduce the chance of any mosquito bites. Make a little campfire, but don't add too much firewood all at once. The bigger the fire, the faster and the more wood you'll burn. Make them last. If you hate waking up in the middle of the night or super early in the morning to use the bathroom, then avoid excessive drinking of any forms of liquids late at night before going to bed. If you need to get into your tent for whatever reason before going to bed completely, avoid having a bright light inside for too long while the tent is wide open. The light in the tent will attract bugs, and if there's an opening, they will get inside. Always keep this in mind. Be aware and respect your neighboring campers. Avoid excessive noise late at night. Nobody likes to get disturbed while trying to get a good night's sleep. But before going to bed, be sure to clean all your garbage. Do not leave any kinds of food outside, not even your garbage bags. Lock and secure everything out of reach and out of sight, or else you'll have some very hungry guests and visitors such as raccoons, skunks trying to invade your campsite. Sleep in peace. Wake up restful. Plan the rest of your day. Go for a hike. Go by the water. Take advantage of your time. Whether you're in a big or small group of friends or family, avoid any kinds of drama and disagreements. If it happens, reconcile. After all, you have left the city to take a break from a lot of things that create stress in your life. Work together. Be a team player and love each other's company. Play a fun game. Tell stories. Be entertaining. Laugh. Gaze up at the bright stars. Embrace all the challenges of being away from home, being away from your normal lifestyle. Connect with nature. Relax. Find your own harmony and peace. Make the experience fun and memorable. Be present. Be in the moment. Be creative. Be resourceful. Create your own adventure, your own to my YouTube channel if